If you wrecked your bike in an accident with a car or on someone's property, where can you take your bike to get an estimate for repair or replacement? The best place to take your bike would be a local specialty bike shop that sells your brand of bicycle. For instance, if you were on a Schwinn or a Trek or a Giant, you would want to take your bike to a shop that sells these brands. You will ask the bike shop if they're able to give you an idea of the fair market value of your bike or what it'll take to get repaired. If you're not able to get an answer from the bike shop, the next best place would be Craigslist. Go to the for sale areas, look for bicycles, and search for similar bicycles in your area that might be for sale. Remember, just like a car that is damaged, the person who damaged your bicycle is responsible for the fair market value of repair or replacement. If you have any questions about an Indiana bike accident, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.